Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
I will show how to safely connect your RV to campsite shore power. Gather a 30 amp or 50 amp shore power cord and matching receptacle. Bring a 25 to 50 foot cord rated for outdoor use and GFCI protection. Carry an adapter set, a surge protector, and a multimeter for testing. Inspect all plugs and cables for cracks, corrosion, or exposed wires before connecting. Shore power delivers 120 V or 240 V depending on your campsite and service. If anything looks damaged, do not connect and notify park staff immediately. Park with the power pedestal directly beside your RV shore power inlet. Turn off all RV breakers and unplug interior devices before attaching the cord. Match the plug shape and pin count to the pedestal and push until snug. Tighten any locking ring, then switch on the pedestal breaker first, not your RV. Verify voltage with a multimeter at the plug showing expected 120 V or 240 V. Then turn on RV breakers and check individual appliances for normal operation and heating. If breakers trip, unplug heavy loads and reduce appliance use to balance current draw. A 30 amp circuit typically supplies 120 V at 30A, which limits how many devices you run. A 50 amp service actually provides two 50A hot legs and a 120/240 V split. Use only outdoor rated extension cords and never piggyback multiple cords together for safety. Test your GFCI at the pedestal monthly and replace any failed units immediately for safety. Always store cords dry, coil neatly, and label plugs with 30A or 50A to avoid mistakes.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.